ProMRO is revolutionary because it gives you the ability for people that are doing maintenance, repair, or overhaul. We specialize primarily with aviation companies, but we also work with heavy equipment. And it gives you the ability to quickly bring a product in. If it's an airplane, you can bring it in for service, you can do inspection, you can get parts ordered. The software helps you turn the project around more quickly. So traditionally in most MROs you're using, or with aviation, you get hangar space, and if I can turn that around a day or two quicker, that means a lot more profit for the company. We also track throughout the project all the costs associated and have the ability to order parts, and you build profiles throughout the time. So it just, once again, we're not missing any steps in the process of inspection or in doing the work on aviation.